Why is the stock falling when everyone hated this deal to begin with?
Yeah, I'm as confused as you are on this one. We'll find out tomorrow morning what happens. But, frankly speaking, we had expected that. Our antitrust analyst, Jen Ree, basically said it's going to be difficult to get this thing done because of so much scrutiny on large tech firms trying to buy smaller incumbents that are threatening their business. So we'll see what that happens. But, I'm also surprised that the stock's down right now.
Anurag, the other surprise that you outline in your Bloomberg Intelligence React deck is how soon this came about. I think the market expected regulatory bodies around the world to look at it, but you're saying actually action is happening sooner than we thought.
Yeah, and I'm to be honest with you, it's Jen Ree's work that is I'm quoting. Basically, I depend on her for all of these expert opinions, and she thinks it's just much sooner than what she was expecting. And the reason is that I think there is so much. Every major tech deal is being looked under a microscope right now, and they want to make a point that they are not going to let something like a Facebook buying Instagram again, out there. So let's see how this turns out. But I think in the long run, if they are forced not to buy it, it may not be that bad of a thing for Adobe. They can deploy that cash somewhere else and try to do this organically.
Okay, interesting. It would probably be pretty awful for Figma in some ways, one might imagine. Just how much would this be coordinated elsewhere as well?
I think one of the things that we have seen that once they got a whiff that U.S. authorities are really strict about some of this stuff, we have seen Europe already trying to break up, Microsoft Activision with basically saying, you got to get rid of a game. I mean, it's kind of like, I would say this is very common across the globe right now, where most of the authorities are pretty against large tech companies buying anything right now.